Greetings friends and welcome back on my channel. I am back finally from some shenanigans around our solar system. Yeah, we visit our sun orbit and again the Damia and maybe some of those alien artifacts without any success to actually look in it. Also, we was being back on now ways to do some things, and now we are back and we can finally move with science. And that's mean we can finally put over here, I think, another set of computers. So it will be around that Roboport most likely. Okay, so give me those, and I will copy and paste this setup. This one is ready to be used again with all 4 tiers, and I want you to be over there. Okay, and leave robots to place all that. And between we need to finish that setup for supplying our science station around the sun. So I will put here not this one, this one for example. Then you need to be not to there. Actually, no. Let's remove that, cancel that, take all these, and put them maybe later. Now, we need some logic over here. So, first thing first, I will put this landing pad in the line with that machine like that. Hopefully it's mostly in line. Then I will take one of those loaders and prepare this belt which will go there. Then I take all those and put them into that landing pad. We want these over here first. Oh. And where is it? Over there. And also maybe with one of those in case that we lost some of those cards during the transportation process or something like that. So give me all those like that. Now we need some things around. And I maybe can copy the logic from the top silo. Yes. So I need all that. Okay. And place. Sure. One more time. Give me that. And one more tile down in that distance force. Let's say now. This is fine, we are missing one of those and 2 of these, and goddammit, someone need to write me a message right now. Sorry, I need to turn off my phone. I again forget, and yeah, that happens. Okay, so with that, also we need to bring some rocket fuel over here. Yikes. But maybe robots can do it. And did I already did those? Yes. So, oh, maybe because I didn't turn off those. Come on, second one. Ah, here we go. Now you need to set that request. And I don't expect that this will be launched so much often, so hopefully even though the robots will be slow, let's say give me 500 of those. Do we have something in... yeah, we have full box somewhere, which is fine. And then we need definitely not that or that. We need one of those and 100 of those. And we need to look. Okay, we have those in buffer chest, and also these are in buffer chest, even though we don't have enough. Now, I want Calidus orbit and that landing pad. Sure, great. Now, the logic itself. God damn it. So, let me... okay. Let me put... I need a bigger one of those. Maybe two. Because we need to do few things over here. And these things will be to send again those and those, and actually even one more box we need for rocket fuel. So we will have two of those over here. 100, let's... yeah, 100 is fine. Now you will go there, 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 and then you need some logic behind you, so you need to be controlled by the combinators. Fine. Then we need to put actually the transmitter receiver side. Which one? Receiver side. Over here, let's put that like there. And this needs electricity to be working, so over here or down? Over there. Fine, fine, fine. And the next one over there. Okay. And this slowly pumping goes now. I think we choose the channel 8 for that. God damn it. For that. For that scientific station, so it's sending its signal on channel 8, right? No? Why? Channel 7? Okay, this is Holmium, so definitely needs to be higher channel. Okay, and I don't see anything, because, yeah, I know. I use the red wire to send that signal back, right? So, red wire over here, and here we go. Now we know the content of the whole, all boxes in there. And it's tell us that we have 54 of rocket parts and 378 of those the rocket fuel. Now we will need some of those to request correct numbers. There, and not there. True. Yeah, we actually copying that whole setup which I am using down on the nowadays, but now we will send everything from here. So give me one of those. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 should be enough. I will put signal there, and I need more red cables. More. And a red signal into there. Now, if I put here request for what I need rocket parts. rocket parts, yes. So for those, and let's say I won't always have 100 in there. This will send signal 100 through this, which needs to be and I don't know which needs to be okay. It's not sending. So if everything by -1 and output every each. So yeah, we will put 100 into this constant combinator through this arithmetic combinator, which will flip the amount to the negative, which combined with the rest over there give us number 46 minus 46. So this will run, and now can I use those? Yes. And then I will take this signal on the green wire. It doesn't matter, we can also use, I think... No, we cannot use green wire, I forget. We can do this only with combinators. Cancel that. Cancel that. So we take that the red signal into those. Here, here, and here. And I want another box over there. So let's cancel that. And yeah, you don't need to use that power pole, but I am using it because if you hover over it with mouse, you can see what signals you are receiving from here. Now you will go there, and also red signal there, which is fine. And I think I did right that I use, and this needs to go. I use the red signal because we are using green signal to measure the rocket, which is also very important because I need to connect rocket with that constant combinator, I think. Hopefully. So we have those. Now we have minus 646, and if I take this one, we should have minus 46. So... oh. This power pole needs to be a little bit elsewhere, because I don't see through it. Because we need to put that green signal from rocket into input of this constant combinator. And what the hell? Okay, and that maybe makes sense. Or doesn't? No, it's not makes sense. Okay. Sorry. So, with that... oh. Okay, now. Here. And now we have minus 147. Which is a little bit too much, because it's calculating also all those 100 parts in that rocket. So no, this is one of those. So we actually want to have... this will load 147. So the condition over here will be... not in this one, in this one. If you have less than 0 of those, because we now receiving minus 147, you will send green signal to loader. Okay, this one maybe. This one, you will send green signal to loader, and loader will start to be doing something when green is 1 because you are sending that signal. And then now this starts loading until reach. And you stop loading because this is less than. Okay, it's need to be equal or greater 0. We just want to put the enough of those to reach the 0 in the whole system. And I am not sure about this, because this doesn't make much sense. Because right now we have 46, but we need to... actually, if I want one, I need to have 200, because it will always calculate the number in the rockets. So we need to do that. Now we have -257. So not on that side. We need to somehow... Okay. So this is different signal. If we do that, we need to use again the red wire, right? Yeah, -35. That makes sense now. If there's okay, I need to send proper signal, not item input count. I need to send the 1 because we want the signal green equal 1, and then if there is greater or... This is your problem, or what is my problem actually, right? So these will work the same. You will have green signal, and you are requesting those, let's say... No, less or equal. Okay, opposite side, like that. So now I'm expecting to have at least the next 23 of those, and this should be 0, right? Okay, we have 0, we have actually +1, which is fine. We are requesting 200, that's mean we have 100 in that rocket with the rest on that scientific outpost, in the boxes in scientific outpost. And that's it actually. And how I did it with the green signal. Okay, let's leave it like that. I'm fine with it. I can use one of those to convert that signal from green to red, I know. Whatever. We can use the red wire over here everywhere. Now, this one will request some of those. Let's say 5, and you will be expecting these. Right now we don't have any request for those. Or do we? No, we are not. Now I want to rocket. What we will need, this will request 1, yes. So if I want to over there, I need to add the third one in this rocket. Now, or actually no, we have already 2 of those. Okay, we request 3, and 1 is over here, and 3 are in the... Okay, so it's not that stupid as I think. Okay, so you will go there. Now we have +1, and actually, screw it. I want to completely... Okay, we will fix that later. I will completely separate that signal from there, from signal which we are using over here. So I will do that. put that red signal into there. Then if everything equal, or actually if 0 is equal 0, output input count. So we will receive that same signal, but now it's neutral. It's not green or red or whatever. And in that case, we can use, instead of red wires, green wires for everything. And the input count will be separated through that constant combinator. So you will be there and there, and on this combinator. Then the same thing through here, 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 and this is separated by this combinator. Now we are receiving -2, and it's 54 plus, because we have too much of those in here, like that. So now we have 54 still. Okay, because it's over here. Here, there's change, right? No? What? Okay. I need to connect this one to there. This should be it, no? Why I change it? It already works. God damn it. So we have that, we have that, this and this. This outputting the accounts in minus. This doesn't go down. Yeah, I know. This is input, so over there. Here we go. Okay, now we have correct number, I hope. And now you should be changing during the loading. No? Okay, because yeah. One more thing. The measurement of that rocket. No, not on that one. God damn it. I cannot zoom more, so there. Here we go. Right? We have 170. Give me that. Now minus 146. Give me all those. And 112. Because we are missing those requests. Okay, that makes sense. Now give me all those. I will put them over there. And this needs to go there. It's fine. Again. We have that signal and that signal, which is going through here. Then if I want 200, this signaling minus 167, and here we have 100. And it's not loading. Okay. We know that we have minus 100. Okay. Okay, hold on. I see the problem. I connect the wrong side over here. We have this signal, and then we have these two signals, like that. Now, this is 54, and here it's counting and going to down. So it should load like 54, 70, 100 and something to have 200, which I'm requesting. And 2 of those, because we don't have any of those over there. And what is your problem? Okay. Yeah, I see. I see. And now we need to change those signals, because we're connecting those signals through that rocket. Now have some of those, have some of those. You are not loading, you are stop loading. We load 101. And we have 54 over there. That's somehow very weird. Okay. Let me feed all those. Okay, this is counting, I think, correctly. And we have output which saying 54, but we... and minus. Okay. Now it seems to me working everything properly. And then I need some of those. Yes. Like 500 of those. No, actually it's unnecessary to have that many over here. We need like that. And let's say I want... how much of those I will need to travel there? 44.6k. And we can make from one solid rocket fuel 50 rockets. So it's 800 something like that. It's actually 44k divided by 50, 880 of those rocket, some of these things. Yeah, so we need to set the request for decent amount, like 1000, let's say, to be constantly in there. Now give me that and change this request to, where is it? This one. Okay, here we go. Now it's loading because the signal saying we are missing 900 of those. Yes. Like over here, even on in the science station. No, we have 378. And these gets me crazy. Do we really receive that signal from here? We should receive that signal. Minus 60. It's look like it's ignoring completely that signal. So if I put that signal over there, and maybe if I connect you there and you there, fine. Now everything over here is in minus numbers. We have 54, and why are you loading 155? No, I definitely don't want to do that. I want really to convert only this signal to the green one. Like that. Which should 55. Output everything. And if everything, and 109. Okay. So 54 and 155. 200 minus plus 54, it's 146. Okay, 46, let's say, because it's counting the 100 in the rocket. So that should work, and I have all those in here. I don't need them. Then all down here, there. Okay, I can break those. So hopefully this will work. Now we need to set that request, and I take too much time with that. 5 of those in there, and in that case we need to produce them over here. We are not producing them, which will fix after a minute. Now the last thing will be to load those. Okay, this was bad. Actually, it's not so bad, but we need to stop you somehow, like that, and then put another constant combinator somewhere closely, like let's say we can connect you through there. So from here to there, and then no, wrong side of the constant combinator, and wrong cable actually. So like that, and then I can cancel this cable, which limits you to not doing anything. And actually I cannot do anything, so I will send you those directly now. Close that window, it's in my view. And request 5 of those. So they will be at first over here or over there. Now, we have loading equal. Why you are running? God damn it! It shouldn't be equal to anything. 5, and now it's still. Oh no! Wrong green cable. Yeah. Sure. So. And this is the reason why I have so much mess around my... We need to connect you over there. Now you should have -4. Perfect. 3, 1, 0, right? -1. And here we go. We have 5 loaded. And what I should do, I will send all those also. Now you are in the plus side, and I think it's more than we need ever. With that, we can do some start logic. Start logic is actually easy. You will take one of those things which are very important to you to be on the remote side. Then use, I don't know, let's say the red wire to connect all those. All of these will send the signal when the amount of these items over there on the remote side reach the 0. Which actually it's like if they are not connected at all. Now, we have this signal, which is green one, converted to green one, but yeah, it's connected to this network, so we cannot use that signal. We will need to do a new one over here with one of those. Connect to you there. Now we have the same signal on that power pole, and actually in that constant decider combinator, and now we convert that, and we actually don't need to do it, but I will do it, and then we connect all those So now it should send green signal only these items, only items which are missing on the other side, or they are missing. So right now we know we don't have any of those, We missing the rocket, yes, tips or whatever that is, and the last one, it's fine. We have some of those over there. So this will be loading to reach in total these numbers which are in these combinators and launch the rocket itself if one of these will actually uh, uh, be missing. And what you need is to ensure that you have enough of these things in these boxes, because if you have, like over here we have none of those probes, it will constantly send that rocket because it will constantly flag the green signal. So right now I need to somehow turn off that logic which trying to watch the send signal. And with that we just set launch on green signal when fuel is full, so it will launch immediately because we are actually receiving 2 green signals. And a rocket it doesn't matter if you send 1, 2, 3 or 10,000 green signals. Rocket just if he sniff only one of those, it will be sent into the space. Now after a while, because it takes some time, here we go. Now we have here actually the number totally in both sides, but here we have nothing. Actually we have that because we are loading the rocket, so we are missing a little bit, and this shouldn't happen. Why? Which one? This one. So for some reason we are not having the amount of those rocket capsules or rocket parts. So for now I will turn off you, I will look there, and I will stop doing that and start finishing that noise over here, Calidus orbit, and you should have number 9. Okay, so Calidus orbit number 9 in our order. Here we go, last of those and first in the order. Awesome. Now look me what's happening there, and thank you, autosave. So rocket land over here. I see everywhere those. Okay, they are going into the box and we don't receive the information about that box. Really? Okay, never mind. I will deal with that later. Also, I need to, from here, actually even send that signal. So you can be somewhere like here, and if there's... Did I receive what I did? I am sending that signal, yes, so I need to receive through here. So let's send it. We need to use green signal, yeah, the same color of over there. Give me that combinator. We can put that combinator somewhere like here, maybe? No? here. Here. And green signal. Okay, you know what? You're pissing me off. So just dedicated power pole for you, of course, to be connected, cannot reach. And if there's less than, let's say, 100 of these cards in that landing pad, we will send the signal, which is over here, number 1. So now we shouldn't be sending that signal, and we also should have more electricity over here. Okay, because we have enough in that landing pad. And last thing, what I need to do, it's actually target you all into this one. And let's rename that landing pad. Now it's on orbit landing pad. Star Pro data. Data. It's a really long name for landing pad, but yeah, like that. And launch trigger on green signal when fuel is full. But right now we are waiting for that. It actually will not be launched by signal. We will start to sending those probe by signal, which is a little bit smarter because it will not send that rocket immediately. It will send that rocket after we have at least 3k of those cards, which is a little bit better, I think, actually. Okay. And maybe if I do channel 8, it will help also. And do we receive... You are sending on that one. Do we receive that signal? No. Okay, and last thing which needs to be done, it's actually on the surface, because I don't have any of those logics over up here. Where is it? In those regular boxes. I need this one, because every rocket when it's land bring here some of those. I need to, and I bet I cannot swap you with loaders. No, I cannot swap you with space loader. Really? God damn it. Okay, you can go, so let's do it. And every rocket will output those, and one of these rocket part. Where is it? Over here. Also, we can add maybe some of these scripting and copy and paste back and front. And let's put them in these boxes, into those boxes. Okay, so it will not unload those cars, but everything else. So, because the rocket will never land if we don't have empty landing pad. Okay, now I presume we tune this build. Yes, perfectly. So it's just a matter of changing those recipes. Over here, and first tier, second tier, third and fourth one. Now, okay, and maybe not with those things. I always forget to change that. We need holmium plates. 200 in this one. We need actually this wrong box, this one. And then we need holmium cables in this one. And the robot will deliver also those. No, never mind. Then we need a holmium solenoid in this one. Give me 200 of 200, I said. Those, and for the last year we need quantum processors. I know it that we need them, or maybe I check it in some time in the past. And why I have those? I need only 50 of those in my inventory. Okay, here we go. So we have those now. Filters and a request box and these things, which they are catching everything from the belt. Okay, and the same thing over here, but with the second tier of energy science and second tier of energy science. And I should put bigger request to have all of those in here first before I run it. And third tier. And I am suspicious that okay, I am missing one of those. Why not? Yeah, I could use the better one, but whatever. And I'm suspicious that the numbers have something to do with research of some common things. Let me check. I have 2k, 2k, and 200. Okay. I will set it up. 2k, 2k, 200, and it's already there because we have lots of those in the tier over here, and I can stop the production over here finally. So everything from there to there needs to go. What else needs to go? This one, this pipe actually, all that, and here, and the whole pipe with not so cold conductive fluid, and yeah. We need to help a robot to deal with that. This will be transferred into the next tier now. You should go on the opposite side. Like that. And then... oh, this is perfect. We can bring those. And because this is tier 3, we will not. Now, through this mess, we need to bring those belts. I'll also do this. Right? You are fine, you are fine. Okay. I remove a little bit more than I want. So... there we go. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. We just take those, and hold on. Which one is tier 3? The top one? Yeah, the top one. So, and this is tier 2 and 1. Would you go on this belt, and this goes all the way. And the second belt is going over here because we don't need it anywhere else, which is this belt. Yeah, and they are crossing over here. So, like that, it should be working perfectly. Now, these things. These things. And why did you do that? There's nothing in your way. Okay, from here we can do something like that. No. Like that. That's the way. Oh. Yeah, and I know we are not producing any other of those because I didn't hook up those pipes and those belts, so yeah, I forget how much it's still missing to finish this. Whatever. We can deal with that very soon. Now, belt from here, somewhere like there. Then the star probe data over there. Hold on. And you need to go one tile this way. And then we can hook you like that. So with that, we should have everything over here. Fine. Let's quickly connect those and connect. Let's go those pipes and bring these pipes. So you need to be... Okay, this is fine, and so you will continue there, and you will continue there, and you will be in the way. That. Which is the first one? I hope so. Yeah, it seems to me like that. So first one, it's for the cool thermofluid, and the second pipe is for super cool thermofluid. And let's go. I know we don't need these fluids anywhere else in this build, but I bet we need. We need them definitely more and more often than I think. Now with that, warm thermofluid needs to go. What? Just a little bit down, and yeah, we need to move this thing. You can go there, and I'm out of these long pipes. Okay. There we go. Cancel that. With one of those, as usual, to push out all that with one of those. Let's say over there. We deal with that now. This is fine. This is almost ready. We are dealing with that. Oh. And give me that holmium. Let's put that holmium into that box. You have processors. Sure. We have everything actually done over here, I think. I don't see any other problems. Actually, we maybe need white cards. Yeah, we need white cards. And these are ending over there. We could do something with that. Why bring that about over there into there. Fine. This is done. Now you need, yeah, of course, cool thermofluid. I know it, which is over there. So let's hook you up. There, then the next thing which is needed, and I don't see the cool thermofluid in this pipe because, oh god damn it, yeah, this was bad pipe, very bad pipe. We needed to hook up with goodbye for 4.6k of cool thermofluid. We need it in this pipe. In that case, you go there. Here. There we go. And I hope I connect this even further. No, because I don't need to do it. Now we need the violet thingy. Violet. Okay. So we are ending with that over there. Then it's go through all these machines. And then we need to put it in this one. This needs green one, this needs green one, and that's it. And yeah, those and those. Okay, that's the different thing. Right now, did I could maybe connect those together? Oh, and I need, okay, even over here more of that. So you need to be connected together because the both of these pipes should contain the proton stream, right? Proton stream here and proton stream over there, and in this pipe we need more of that chill, very cool thermofluid, which can be bring from the top over here like that. Here we go, and then I will connect you. Where is that pipe? Here it is. So through this mess. Okay. No. No, 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 no. This is enough. Okay, here we go. We have that. At least in this one, and now even down here, right? This needs two. Oh, it needs one proton stream, so it's not so demanding. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. And okay, we have our signal. Let's bring this one No, this stream somewhere up. I would rather to bring it from here. But it's not definitely no chance. Or maybe it is. Through here. I'm doing this because to save, god damn it, stupid PowerPlant. 7, 7. Because these longer pipes. Okay, you cannot be there. Actually, what I am doing, this shouldn't connect at all. Now, which one? Through there, and through this mess or through this mess? I think I will be continuing straight ahead. Okay, now let's change this to those. Okay, and now through here. Up. And did I end that previous sentence that when I try to explain that I am using those long pipes because they have minimum losses? Here we go. 50. The water pressure is over here. 90. We can maybe help a little bit by putting one of those somewhere like here. Sure. Here we go. Okay, this will put more pressure in those machines. And these are running actually, so we have at least those. And we still need to deal with these great cards. And this will produce 16 almost, so we need to deal with it by putting those on the belt, which we should have somewhere like here-ish or somewhere else. No, this one, it's for actually white card, which right now we can completely cancel this belt. This belt. I will deal with that between episodes, I think. Also, I will bring excuse me, those, and with that, I think we are mostly done. So in the next episode, we can finally do some research, like dynamic emitter, which will unlock us some nanomaterials, better white area beacon, and shield projector. Okay, and what else? So we want these. Then we can have heavy armor, adaptive armor number 5, which I actually don't need right now. What else? Okay, maybe these, even though I don't need them, maybe for some better armor or something like that. We still missing 2 of those, so yeah, this will be also fun. We need to find somewhere Naquium. Okay, this is okay. Let's not look at that right now. What else? We can do no. And I think we are good with the research. We cannot do anything more right now. And that's it. Okay, so we almost finished it. We finished that logic for transporting those. Hopefully it will work. It definitely loading something. Yeah, so with that, and it's loading also those directly from that. So hopefully it will be working. And in the next episode, I don't know if I'll be able to finish this between episodes. I hope so, because I want to jump into biological science, which also be very fun, very much fun. Yeah, these cats. Look, again, these two things which are so expensive. And this violet thingy bolly something like, yeah, this advanced neurogel and more those significant biomass. And you know how much of those we producing, and it's stretching our the production really much. And also we need those to produce some of these vitalic reagent, which bit I was really afraid that the last year we'll need those. Right now we have enough of those, but yeah. I don't know where I'm producing those right now. I have those. I am doing that neurogel, but right now we are doing like neurogel over here, which actually can produce, I think, decent amount. Maybe. Okay. Anyway, we will think about that in the next episode. Right now, I am done. Thank you all for watching, and I hope we see each other in the next episode. Bye.